Hello students, welcome to CR Digital Classes. In the present video, we are going to discuss about credit cards and its types. So I hope everybody are very much aware about the credit cards. So credit card is the one of the facility in the market provided where with the help of the credit card we can purchase, we can use or we can encash and we can use that for purchasing or booking tickets or for any other purpose. So let us understand clearly what is a credit card. Credit card is a card that is used instead of cash in shopping. That means for purchasing anything we will be using. It can be used processing for transaction anywhere, for paying fees also, for booking slots or for making any of the payment we use the credit card. There are smart cards with which purchase of goods and services is done first, then customer pays for it later. That means the difference between the debit card and credit card is, in debit card we make the payment whatever amount is available in our bank account, whereas in credit card we try to use the money first, then we pay the later. That means we need not have the amount in our bank account. The credit card will be giving first, it is giving like loan, the amount payment will be made. Later within the date whatever is given, within that date we will try to pay back for it. That is difference between the credit card process and the debit card process. So credit card based payment can be processed by using the following three methods. So the methods are like using plain and unencrypted credit card and using encrypted credit card features, and the third option is using third party authorization for credit card payment. So depending on the nature of the card, it will be using it will be using with the unencrypted credit card features, where unencrypted means the data whatever is there, it is not decoded. But mostly unencrypted card is not more safe to use, and there are possibilities that the data whatever it is there, it is not completely secured, and also sometimes it will be avoiding the standard norms for the security. Then second method is encrypted credit card features. These encrypted credit card features are where the data is, the whatever data is there, it is sensible information. It will be encoded. Then later the payment user will be decrypting that code whatever is encoded. Then the payment will be made. This is about the encrypted credit card features. Then the third party authorization is where the card holder will be authorizing or approving for the making the payment. So these are the three different methods of the credit card. Coming to types of credit cards, we have types based on the geographical location. So based on the geographical location, the name itself we can understand from the title, where it is depending on the location. That is, the cards are domestic cards and international cards. Now, domestic cards is local, that is within the country, and international cards outside the country, that is cross borders. So the use of domestic credit cards is restricted to few particular geographical location. So domestic cards are used only whatever the locations are specified, that only it will be limited. Then example like Indian domestic card. So only it should be used only within India. It is not supposed to be used outside India. Then international credit card is specifically mentioned which can be used outside the country. So the international credit cards might be used in any part of the world, both domestic and also foreign markets with few restrictions. So whatever, when the time of issue, whatever terms and conditions will be there, restrictions will be there, it is applicable. So with that restrictions only, the card can be used domestic as well as international, that is for foreign payments. And it can be used in different countries. Then second category is, it is about the category of users. First one is basing on the geographical location. Second one is basing on the category of users. So under users we will find different categories. So let us understand one by one. Credit cards are classified into two different types, that is the category of users. One is individual cards, other one is corporate cards. Corporate cards. So individual cards are the cards which are given to individual person will be using it for fulfilling his personal purchases and other financial requirements. Only a particular person can use it. Whoever is card holder, he can use for his personal payments and financial transactions. Whereas other category is corporate card. Corporate means some company, some organization, entity. So here on behalf of the organization, a person or an employee will be authorized to use that card on behalf of the company. He will be operating or processing that card for making the payments and other financial transactions. So corporate credit cards are those cards which are issued in the name of company, and these cards might be used by authorized employee of the company only, and the bill is made. So only whatever bills has to be paid, for that payments that card will be used. And third category is card status. So here cards, depending on the card status, these are categorized. That is standard cards and gold cards and platinum cards. So the standard credit cards are issued to persons for only purchase and withdrawals within a credit limit ranging to 20,000 to 50,000. This is standard. And gold cards are given to whoever is having more transactions, to rich people, that will be given. So credit limit is more than the standard credit card. Whatever that is, that means more than 50,000. Then platinum cards are those, it is gold card who have excellently used the repayment record. So any card, it will be all the recovery will be observed. So once the recovery is made, repayment is made properly within the time, then the person will be eligible to take the next level card. Here gold card, whoever is used and paid very promptly and within the deadlines, within the dates, they will be given platinum cards. So these cards also the track will be maintained, how they are maintaining the cards, what about the recovery status. So here bank provide higher credit limit to these cards. So first level is standard card, second level is gold card. Under gold card, whoever is making a prompt repayment, they are eligible to take the platinum cards. Under platinum cards, the limit will be more, the range will be more. Then next is again based on the franchise. Franchise is some agreement will be made on that, it is made. So here on the basis of franchise, we have, it is categorized into three types. One is MasterCard and Visa card and other card. So here MasterCards are those cards which are issued by banks or companies which have tie-up with the United States MasterCard Corporation. So there will be a tie-up between the country and the United States MasterCard Corporation. So they will be issued MasterCard. On the cards you can see MasterCard, Visa card. So some payments MasterCard is eligible. Some payments Visa cards are eligible. So other cards they will not allow to make the payment. So Visa cards are issued to those companies, banks which have tie-up with the United States Visa Card Corporation. So for MasterCard, there should be tie-up with the United States MasterCard. For Visa card, the bank should have tie-up with the Visa Card Corporation. So the cards are allowed to use in the Visa card network. Then based on the credit recovery, here also we find two types. One is revolving cards, other one is charge cards. So revolving cards are like the cards where when the payment is to be made, here one option will be given. The payment of part we can pay immediately that month, and the remaining amount can be carried forward to the next month. That is about the revolving credit card. So revolving credit card allows the user to carry forward a part of payment to the next month. Majority of the credit cards are revolving credit cards. Then next card is charge card. This is reverse of the revolving card. In this card, complete amount should be payment should be made in the same month. There is no carry forward of the balance. So here credit card is the opposite of that of the revolving credit card. These cards do not allow carry forward the payment. The user of this card needs to clear all outstanding credit amount at the end of the billing period every month. So this is about the credit card recovery categories, that is revolving cards and the charge cards. So the questions will be asked: what is credit card? Explain its type, or discuss about the types of credit cards. Hope this video is helpful in understanding what is credit card and its types. Thank you.